money.
Remote. What remote the boy?
Yeah.
I play, me not say you everything, you know.
Hey, mad boy, move by yourself, mad boy. Move by yourself.
Can't get that cake.
No, man, move by yourself.
Maggie.
Live a man named Ants, where everybody know him walk barefoot in the dust. Him talk to the breeze and all a cuss. Them laugh when him pass, same fear take mad kill. But him eyes see far past jokes and the fun, like him reading every sign from the moon and the sun. Them call him mad, say he made me right, but him words start shining at the darkest night. Mad dance, mad dance, mad dance, mad dance, mad dance, just so easy and go through. Mad dance, mad dance, mad dance, mad dance, mad dance. Them say you're mad, but you no fool. Them say you're mad, but you no fool. When the rain fall hard and the river rise high, I him did I warn them weeks gone by. Say build on the hill, not just slow ground. Now the whole of the village start gather round. Picnic them listen when him start to speak. Even elders nod when him drop wisdom deep. From planting time to when storm a roll, my dance vice turn guide for the community. Cause truth have a way to reveal itself. What seem like madness turn divine. My dance, my dance, my dance, my dance, my dance, just so easy and go through. My dance, my dance, my dance, my dance, my dance. Them say you mad, but you no fool. Them say you mad, but you no fool. From laughter to respect, the story change. What's strange one day, next day rearrange. Him never fight, him never prove. Just keep him rhythm, just keep him groove. No, when breeze blows soft through the cane field, people stop and wonder what him words did mean. Him still walk alone, but him never alone. Cause the whole village carry him pan a throne, no crown pan him head.
Hey boy, you know long more fine. I take me walk them. How much of them pick up with you bad people?
Me not pick up none.
Oh, you mean if a couple create well me missing bad boy?
Me not take up none.
Bad man you have to find them, you know.
They got from me.
Yo, how we are though? Hey boy, how we are though? Hey boy, you know some cut off your blouse and skirt, hey boy. You know some cut up the more back them boy. Hey boy, you know. Hey boy. Hey boy, leave it. Hey boy, hey boy.
Alright, get out.
Hey boy, leave it. Hey boy, give me all. Hey boy.
Alright.
Hey boy.
Alright.
Hey, walk yourself now boy. Oh boy. My shit man clean up for you now boy. Alright. Back on the corner, you know. Cause anytime I catch one the boy, that's dangerous something, you know. Alright.
Move brother sa mad boy. Move brother so.
Can't get that cake.
No man, move brother so.
Wagwan. Inez, how you look so man? I'm not tell you to stop worrying about the boy. Everything I can work out, you know. I don't like how him have you stress out, man. The boy in there. In there? Stay there about if he in there. And you don't spoil him as the auntie. You. Me not spoil him. I love him. Love. So true you love him. That means you have to spoil him. Inez, me not spoil the boy. Remember, so me not get none. So you would. It's like I come in like say you have him for me too, you know. Me understand, but you see them kind of thing the way they pan. Everything he want, you give him. If he wrong, you're saying right. No man, when somebody wrong, you make them know so they wrong. Not because of your nephew. You're supposed to make him know saying wrong if he wrong. So if he left go broke people place and thief and police lock him up, you got to say him right. He have right to do it. Me never say him a thief. I'm my son. I'm your nephew. But me have to tell you the truth. Me and your sister and everything he do, you pick up for him. No man, you know how them a Gen Z tan. Right? I'm gonna pick up for him like that. He's a good boy, man. He's a good boy, way. Boy. Bad like a yaz. Good boy, which part? He have no manners. Stress me out every day. I blood pressure gone up high, so that me no want. Body. Him not bad. He just
Auntie.
what? What?
Oh man, I'm trying to link up.
Lord, bro, not bad. Let's stretch no more, man. Oh, where you stretch and go? You already told me.
Alright, down the road, man. I link up my dogs and the girls and them there want to chill out and drink out, you know. You might think come down and see it.
Girls and thing with the S. Cock off. Oh man, you feel love your mother too. She give you life. Here.
Once done, man.
Alright. Well, good here. You see what me they tell you? No man, I true you ever hard pan him, you know. Me, you hear me say it? You hear me say anything? I want to have earlier. You and him no have nothing, he just have no manners to me.
Oh man, you know. Bad dog. Yeah man, me done ready now, man. Means me take too long, you know, code man. What you say, girls them down there, everything active right now? Relax, bad dog, you talk about baby mother. I want you, man. You know, see me have everything locked down already, man. I want you, man, active up. I want you. I run off my show and you know that. Yeah. Alright, me forward now. Good. I want to see them girl. Joking business. Grim. See what I mean? Ramping me now.
You see it? You see what take place after a little while? You are condoling to go down so much chat gal and this and gal that. Chat to gal and there with gal. You know what's baby mother inside? Shanice inside there.
She in there?
Treating baby mother like the she not come from out of one human being. That boy a feeling but a crosses. God forgive me if you say it.
No man.
Although me wanna pick me. It must stress me out, John.
I true you always a talk at him, you not talk to him.
Really?
Him a rebel.
Really?
From him little bit.
Joe.
You talk, I bully ride the
Joe,
boy.
you
And he can't talk to you.
That's problem, you know.
How me
You
the
are
problem?
You spoil him. Can a little bit so.
You spoil him with
Little
love.
bit so.
I love Mickey
Until
the
now, I'm a big man and you can't make him know say. At your age, you're supposed to act mature. Really?
Mature man. Because remember, sir, around the corner me there, you know, sis. And as long as me there, yes, I lost independence. At last time me hear them raise voice. They live good, man. But you know how man turn. They live good.
You realize what you just say? You're the right there, so. Right round there, so.
Yeah,
That means you try to show me say you're the close and you never hear nothing between the two of them more than the one time from independent. Oi. I understand the rules then, you know. It happen all the while, every minute, then cuss and quarrel, fight, everything that's bad. And he not take care of the little baby. If I know me, the picnic dead for hungry, you know, nyam.
No man, that sound like the Shanice one. And how the mother now feed the baby. Him go on the road and look after food and bring in food and thing.
Hear you as a big and
so hold on.
adult.
I know you used to feed Ramin. I never you used to stick out thing and feed him and mash up food and feed him. So she the Shanice one supposed to be doing that.
I know you call out the girl name. Jesus have mercy, God.
You know, yeah.
Oi, if you go look walk.
Hi, sis.
Hi, every time.
How him figure look work? Me and you do a day's work since we born.
That not say. Him a adult. My big man now. He'll get picnic. So if you left it picnic for me,
No.
to me a grandmother. If you come them mine picnic, I am go look at that girl and he have him baby mother in here. Look here. Let me tell you something, June. You see if you not have nothing constructive to talk about pertaining to this boy when me have ya, they stress me out.
Alright, man. Are you stress out yourself? Change the subject. Because I'm reach a age, you know, past the age. I mean, I see certain things. Inez, me nah have none. You could give when you could give him the remote. Hey, you have to pass down, you know.
When me give him the remote now, what you expect him to do?
Same thing we do, same
What?
thing mommy do,
Same
same
thing we
thing
do.
granny and granddad
We
do.
go all over Jamaica, go buy jelly, Benz and Beamer, what you want call it.
You really underestimate your own son.
Axio, really? And go look girl all over the place that they squander this and squander that.
Alright, take time talk. I know you say one tell me say the girl in there.
Yeah, she in here.
She not for no family business, man.
She not here. Maybe she has a pass.
Hi, Inez.
Miss Ines, can I go for a buy one box from here? Alright.
Well, alright.
Yeah.
See you later.
Alright,
You see, me to tell you for quieting it down. She know fi hear family business. No fi talk it so loud, man. I remember say, great-great-grandfather come down to granny and granddad, come down to mommy. Then tell we say we no fi tell nobody. So where the remote there?
It in there.
Sir, Inez, you really not gonna give him remain? Him forget him, man. He's next in line.
June, how was so? You just don't in a me so forgive this boy this damn blasted remote. We go put him in a problem. Eh? And Masha want him mash up the whole Jamaica. Eh? You not even just sit down and talk to me as your sister and say, a true, if you go look at job, he can reach the age where he's supposed to look at job. Him have a child. And God, he know if he pick me a film too.
No, man. It help you and me. You and me never work a day in our life. Right? It help mommy. It help granny and granddad. So what? Me nah have none. So why in heaven's name you not give it to him for to help him too?
No, listen. Don't get it twisted. Him can get it. But not on my dead body, the way him behave and in no manners and he disrespect me, I will never give it to him. Him not get it.
That no fear. Inez, that no fear. And that not so it go. And not so it go. When him reach a certain age, him forget it. Him past 18 now. Him past the age, him forget it. You have mommy and dad ancestors are turning at them grave, man. True you vex.
No.
Sure.
Not true me vex. I how him behave. Me tell her 1,000,000 times. Him not have no manners.
Because you're too hard on him.
Hard.
You not give him no chance. All right, Inez. We don't want to argue. We have the problem. We have the solution. Go get the remote, give me. Me a game. Since you're not game, me a game. Come get.
Why?
Come.
June. You remember what a good book say? The older one. You see? Go and pass it down to the offspring. You understand? So Romian is my child. So just leave me when me deal with this. Me we pass it down. You hear? Me not understand. Why me can't pass it down? Why you want me to give you what? You gonna give him?
Because it can't dead in our hands. It have to go down the generation and you want it for dead enough. It can't dead enough for we hand. It have to go down the generation or it lose the power.
Yeah. Thanks, later. You mommy want some? Mama, sun hot now.
You forget that part of the book though.
Me not forget it. What me just say to you, you forget it. Me say, the good book say, you're going to pass it down to your offspring. Make me pass it down. Me are the older one. Make me pass it down.
Alright, so you go pass it down. You go pass it down.
You have a problem with when me pass it down or whatever?
You go pass it down though.
Yes, but not to you nor him. I mean, I'm going to give you and you take again. Me I know you get. You forgot what a good book say? Pass it down to offspring. Me is the older one. You is the younger one. You don't have no pick me. Me have. Leave me, make me do that and me decide who me want to give. You know what? June, me tired.
You know one thing me notice with you, Inez? Anytime me and you a chat, you love dash dirty words in my face and me nah have no picnic, but you get youth. It's alright. It's alright.
Me nah use nothing against
It's alright. Go on, man. Everything good. You one get youth. Everything good.
Go get some rest.
Yeah, man. Rest.
No go on so June. Hook me up, man. Me and sister, you know, so me love you already. But sometimes you come with pure foolishness. You can't take his strength before you take your nephew and sit down with him and teach him the right way of he survive in a life. You want to live easy. So what? Two will live.
Me not tell you what me not to tell you. So go on. Chum, man.
road and come back here? Alright. Alright, well, think about it, Ines. Think about it.
John, what's there? Vibe sweet. Auntie. How go on? Huh?
Hey.
Auntie.
My nephew look like to the road. Do you brace up yourself?
Oh, auntie, me can't turn up, Sean. Can't brace up your elbow.
Alright. I want to talk to you.
Talk,
But
auntie.
you have sense. You have sense in there. Come on, talk quick and fast because your mother gone on the road.
Auntie, I say from my bar, I'm smart. And if me was smart, so me don't drink down there, so. He couldn't ride come back up. So, what you talk about, auntie?
Alright.
Firm, man.
How much finger me I hold up?
No matter what you do, a 5 finger up in your hand. So, me not fast.
Alright,
Go.
let me talk quick because I don't want your mother here.
Hurry up. Come on, like water.
Certain things are going on and your mother keep it secret from you. I mean, I like it. You forget an inheritance, you know, my nephew. And you're long overdue. I mean, I like what go on.
Auntie, get it by auntie, man. Get it by auntie.
Right. You see, in a full family, we're not ordinary family. Our family, we have an heirloom, a family heirloom that passed down from your great grandfather.
Heirloom.
Come down. Yes. It come down and it come down to the firstborn to pass down. Me nah have no kids.
Yeah.
My sister, your mother, is the oldest one and she have you. So you forget it. You forget this family gem.
Gem.
From
Me
your
no want go on
18.
gym. Me no want go on gym, auntie. Forget family gym.
That's why me shouldn't tell you when you're drunk, you know. You sure you have sense?
No, me not drunk, auntie. Drunk man can't turn up.
Alright. Right.
What that for, auntie?
When your mother come, can't talk long. When your mother come, me no say, you know. Me no say.
Say what?
You ask your mother forgive you the remote you forget. Yeah?
What remote for do? Me like watch TV, auntie. What remote for do?
Open eyes. And the next thing, if you have more manners to your auntie, to your mother.
Manners to me rum. Rum nice. Mummy disrespect me all the time. Me can't bother with that. Actually, me I left Ghana party. Come even to I left yard sometime. But auntie, me tell you the truth, me no want no remote. Me even like watch TV. A phone I do it a mother time, you know.
Man,
And rum.
you not understand. This is no full dege remote.
Auntie, how you talk about auntie man? Talk to me, auntie man. I'm gonna lay down, you know, yo.
No, man. Give me your mouth. That's why your mother deal with you some more time. This remote is magical. It's a spiritual remote.
Speak.
Spiritual remote. It come down with generation in our family. It can turn banana leaf in our money. It can turn all banana leaf, cocoa leaf, any leaf in a light post. It can turn dog in a donkey. How you think me and your mother no work? You take this thing joke.
Auntie, first me ever eyes on a lap. Banana tree a light post. Auntie, you look like a me a drink and a drunk.
So funny, but let me ask you a question.
Me not so full, auntie. Remote of watch TV, auntie.
Alright.
So, auntie, a remote can turn bush in a money.
Of course. That's an easy one, Tree. And
Auntie.
that me I tell you.
You can't turn bush in a money.
Let me ask you one question.
Wait, auntie. Who have the
Shut
errand?
your mouth.
Who have the errand remote there?
Your mother. And she had the
When
only
mommy
one
there?
of the
When
two
mommy?
of we.
When mommy?
She not there, she gone on the road.
Please, auntie.
But let me tell you something, right? How you think we have all of this? House, eh? You never go in your bed hungry yet, and me and your mother never work a day in our life.
Yeah, come I always wonder how to do it. Talk to me now, auntie. Talk to me. Cause I really want to know what I want.
You're sober up fast, see? You're sober up fast. Make it chat fast.
Sober, auntie.
Our family coming from a very spiritual line. Your how much great grandfather find and discover this remote control and him put him essence into it. I remember say, Africa we come from, so they know what to do. We put the essence into it so the next generation don't suffer like how our ancestors suffer.
You gotta have manners to mommy.
You have to have manners.
You gotta have manners to mommy.
So make sure hold up on you, cause you're rude rank and out of order.
So where mommy gone?
She gone the road. See when she come, you have to pressure. Don't say me say, No,
auntie.
Don't say me say.
No, you're mad. Me not hear nothing from you.
You have to go ask her
Auntie.
and you use your brain panar.
Yeah, come here.
And get it, cause you're long overdue, man. It's well overdue. You have to get it. You is next in line, coming on nobody.
So where remote there, auntie?
Inside, your mother have it in
Me
there.
go look feet, auntie.
No, you no go so.
And me I go.
Your mother have to pass it down to you. That's so make you have to go to your mother. You can't take it, my boy. Respect you here.
Yes,
Make she
auntie.
pass it down willingly and so it for go.
So me have to wait for you have manners, auntie.
Yes, my boy. And show love to your mother and she love you. Here?
Yes, auntie.
So now make she catch you because she soon come. One in and use your brain.
Yes, auntie.
Brain before the mouth, here?
Yes,
Because you're set for greatness.
Yes,
All right,
auntie.
love you. Go on.
Auntie, I truth I tell you, auntie.
Nah lie. You ever see me and your mother work?
Auntie, swear to
Think
God,
about
auntie.
it. You will ever see we work and we have this, you see the furniture in the house and everything. Think about
Auntie,
it.
me go have manners here.
All right. Love you, my nephew.
Love you, auntie.
Yes, me do the right thing.
Good story that. Babes. What go on? Where remote there?
See, yeah. And when money there for buy feed, you not left no money here. The baby hungry.
I mean, so when money there for buy feed now. Mommy no buy feed now.
Yes, she left and said she gonna buy feed, but you breed me. I know your mother.
No, me have my mother to take care of that. You don't have to worry about that.
So walk listener.
Give me remote.
This.
Calm down yourself, man. You see what we go on. You don't know about this. Worry yourself.
Yeah, I mean, idiot, puppy show. Come here, think around, big and workless.
Talk about more list. You need to know what go on. Turn the drum in one jail here now. See if you want to cock your foot on dashboard. Jail! I know say foolish and to tell me, no man. This thing I need to work. Jail! Jail! So me all press every button and jail. No come you with the fool. Auntie! Auntie! To find this thing, I'm thinking about getting one car and then not turning jumping no daily, auntie. I'm foolish, this remote now work. You know they're fooling me, auntie. Now, you know they're fooling me, auntie, man. No.
Hush.
Don't you let go for me, man.
see?
Me nah have no manners to mommy.
Hardest picnic must feel. Hardest picnic must feel.
Me nah laugh,
Hey,
auntie.
Remain.
You think she tell me say a
never
prank.
tell you, say, go in and wait patiently for your mother. I me never tell you what to do.
Yeah,
Me
but
tell you, say, me look for me. Me tell you, say, don't go in, go search
no,
for the
never
remote.
search auntie. Me see
Yeah?
remote in a house. I look for me like it to say,
Ah, good,
welcome, it's time. Try it now.
good. Ah, good. Next time you damn well listen.
Auntie, a full story you tell me.
Look into it, Romain.
I know this a remote here.
You must learn when big people talk to you. I know this remote, baby. That's a modern remote. And as a matter of fact, it has nothing to do with modern or old, right? Is what our ancient ancestors did. And the energy them put in that particular remote. And not this one, baby.
Okay.
Okay, so you gotta listen this time. You got manners to your mother. But if you don't have manners to her and she has to pass it to you, you're not gonna find that. And if you find it, well, I'll make sure give it to you better. Here,
Alright, auntie.
patience, baby, patience. Oh,
Oh God, baby remote.
Why I wake up my baby?
oh God, baby. Definitely the wrong remote that day. Oh God.
We are look for. Boy, we are look for them back. Watcha. Junkie. We are dig up your name of the house for. We are dig up your place for. So we are dig up your name of the room for you. You alright? Eh? Watcha. Oi, drunkos. We are look fine, yeah. Watcha. So me know what I want. Me want know where you look for.
You know all that there, yo.
Watcha.
Mommy tell her that.
Hello. God help me. Talk to me now.
Yes. Because anytime I find this, there's no say. Life are gonna be more better off for we. Richer we get. Here. Because what you don't know, older than you. I must be rich already, you know.
Right.
So it's anytime me find out me I look for, richer me I get. What me think say, me I run up my mother blood pressure. That's so me can own this babes. And rent out all around this stuff.
You know, see, not easy.
Think upgrade.
Not easy.
Some mommy get old.
I'm not gonna fight against your mother with you, you know. Cause good lady. So what you not do, your mother do. Cause she help me with it. Two-way pitney. Yeah. So I'm not gonna fight against your mother. You hear me? I tell you.
Sit down. Yes, just will watch Earth and go out. So me can rent out around this stuff and start make some real money different things, you know.
So Ramian, what do you mean by you want your mother up and gone? What do you mean?
Of course, babe, 6'6", man, you know me and talk about, man.
So you did cool, brother. You know much people wish they have their mother, and you wish for your mother dead.
Nice funeral, me I give mommy, you know.
Then you plan.
Soup and everything I have to cook, you know.
Area.
Nobody not hungry, they say, you know, they have to talk about the funeral, there be a champagne and Hennessy.
Yeah, the first somebody me hear I celebrate mother death. If you want peace, Alan.
You think my mother take care of it yet? Wait till me find this as here. You don't even know where you do.
Fine what?
That me make you know. What?
Fine what?
Me I rebuild you. Me give you a good makeover. Here, millions.
Murder.
Then look for my woman and say money. Oh, I'm Shanice.
Me I hear that from a long time from you just meet me. From you just meet me. But on that me a talk about where you did I look for. millions, trillions,
Don't worry your little brain about that.
jillions. What you look for?
Don't worry your brain about that.
That's all me a hear. No worry, no worry.
Have that under control.
If me see you coming here, stand down in my place. Some who no ask. After me don't know if I gone.
You know, see, stand down yet. Oh, I mean, in a gun thing right now. I don't even know, you know. I told my mother deal with me so cool, you know, when time me I grow up, you know, and treat my body, you know, and treat me like me a garbage, you know. That's why me have to deal with mommy saying, you know. I mean, I go to school, you know, I'm friend my wear clocks. I'm tell mommy to buy me clocks. Mommy will tell me about no one of the issues that me feel weird.
Hello.
Wear this and me feel weird that. When more on cornflakes, mommy I can give me tough chicken. But you know, baby.
Oh, that. My mama baby in here asleep.
I'm get frustrated, man. Mommy not deal with me good. I tell you the truth, babes. You see me? Enough time one make you get also and same thing one care on cruise and mommy tell me if you don't care upon no cruise card. You have to turn your back for me further on in life and actually I don't know mommy. Mommy if you're up and go on. Mommy if you're up and go on you. Tell you go on, you know. You feel like mommy like you. You go on, man. You don't mind feel like mommy like you, man.
The lady like me. Stop it.
Like what? Chicken they get, man. Smile in front of you so you don't even know what they chat behind about.
But she do things what you not do. Can you even buy pampers for the picnic?
Sure. I will tell mommy to buy. Me. I feel your mother. I can look my mother to her. My mother and I feel your mother.
Hello, don't tell them
Your
something.
mother. And my mother, I know my mother stay. You don't know my mother stay. When time I little and I grow, you know my mother treat me.
Everybody go through that. See, that fear wish death pan her door.
I know what I do when time rain a fall in house with boyfriend. You can't tell me that. My mother could go on.
How are you do make she lock you out?
Now cry. How much time I have to go to school and dirty shoes and something?
Take them on time.
Mommy a style me. Need one clean and both them and something. Family clean and grow up. You don't even know, man.
Act like a man.
Act like a which man. My mommy she tell mommy I can tell me if you flushy. Brand new clocks man for you wear and sing good looking shoes for my foot and say mommy I can tell boy now buy me no clocks. Me no for wear no clocks. And I come buy me beer like a chicken parts boat. Me not like my style. Long time mommy I grown me to hurry up and go on.
I sound like a mama's boy.
Coop on you. If me never mama's boy, you couldn't be here. You couldn't have a decent looking baby. Your home won't bless you, that still curse.
You're going like a you alone, a man. Look how much man God make.
You bless like me. You can't go on top.
But you have.
What I do, I go and burn my spliff, you know?
Go on.
Can you see the real thing? You're more change.
Roma get to your head. Junker. She alright, you know. Just put her to sleep.
So did you got anything to eat? Alright, so get something to eat?
Yeah, you know, I'm about to look for food.
John, no star. Matter of fact, I go ask her about Tina. Mommy!
Oi!
Come here, man. Come here. Sit down, man. I want to talk to you. Mommy,
Oi.
I need to talk to you.
You're not going to really talk to me with that way they puffing on my face. So when you out that, then I'm ready to listen.
Sorry about that, man. Sorry about that. Mommy, I don't know if you tell me.
So, you don't remember when you're born? Me tell you already. That's all you need to remember.
Mommy, why you tell me what they go on from me born, mommy?
Me,
And when you were born.
and when me born.
Yeah, when me born. And what you go through in your life, mommy.
You know,
And what your parents and teach you, mommy.
Me no want live in a house. Me no want remember from when me born. Think out from when you born. Oh, you disrespect me. You don't have no manners to me, and you try to rule me under me one roof, and you don't want to go look work. You want to live easy.
I like with your mommy, and them say you want to talk to me about mommy. I never see you work yet, mommy. You're her auntie. You want to come tell me and come school me about work, mommy. How me if want to work and me never see my parents work, mommy.
So you worry about me and your auntie. You never see work. Or you wear clothes. Or you eat.
Mommy, I eat more you tell me now,
Or you
mommy.
think you survive.
I eat me and ask if you tell me now, mommy. Me I eat more I know, mommy, because mommy from me born, me never see daddy yet, mommy. So more I know how you do this.
You don't want to know. Don't bother bust your brain and try to figure it out. Yes, when you get older, you will know.
So mommy, when me get older, what me I gonna know? Say you have my remote to hide.
Where you get that from? Who tell you that? Eh? Where you get this remote story from? Where you get remote story from? Eh?
As a matter of fact, me reach age now, mommy. Me are 18, mommy. You need to pass it down to me, mommy, and ask me no question about where me hear nothing from.
A dream or somebody tell you. Because when me are 18, me never get where me get. Me have to wait till me older. My parents them decide when to give me. You understand?
Yes,
So
mommy.
now, me, a fear mother, me have to decide when me want to give it to you.
Decide, mommy. But you dey beside me, mommy, so you can't decide
See
now.
there, decide and beside. See there now? You turn idiot.
Decide the night two of them.
Decide, night two of them. Well, me I decide now when me I go give it to you.
Mommy, I love you, no, mommy.
Hey, when? See what? The remote. You go turn yourself in an idiot all over the world. A matter of fact, the main reason why me not give you, you don't have no manners.
But me go have manners to you, mommy.
When?
Every time now.
To hold you know no manners.
Mommy, me go have manners to you.
A matter of fact, I will tell you about it.
Mommy, just give me a signal, mommy. Please. Mommy, my life better.
Me have a feeling say your auntie tell you. She chat too much.
Oh, mommy, auntie not tell me nothing. So auntie know too.
You and your auntie are too lied.
Auntie not tell me nothing. Me go cuss auntie, mommy. Cause my auntie not tell me nothing. Auntie know too. Auntie not tell me. Yo.
So me look like me a half idiot. You feel say me no know who tell you. Only, hey, let me tell you something. I want somebody can come down here so no. From up there so, up above, come tell me say. I know your auntie tell you so. Me know say she. But guess what? She always a pick up for you for a long time, so me expect you to do the same back in return. Listen, me no fool. Tom young but Tom no fool. You think so me a idiot?
Mommy, please no.
Please.
I love you, mommy.
Me know. Me love you too, but me want you to have manners and respect. Take your honor off for me.
Me hug no, mommy.
And it's a foolishness that you call me for. You can't decide whether me give you a remote or whatever. Eh?
So, mommy, me can't go on, so.
After you and your auntie sit down and chat about the remote, you come and use the head for me.
Auntie not tell
Me
me
look
nothing.
stupid. Me know.
Auntie not tell me nothing, mommy.
Me know. You're in favorite.
Me ask auntie.
And she a your favorite.
No, call auntie,
you
mommy.
chat in front of me how you prefer more of me. You alone me love you now.
No, mommy.
You think me forgot?
No, mommy, I chew me begs. Me never mean that, mommy.
You know mean it?
Yeah, my mother.
Me know.
Me love you, give me breast
Me
milk.
know, so you just a realize, say me and your mother, you just they know.
No,
you never
mommy.
know before.
Mommy,
Eh.
I can't say that, mommy. Mommy, I love you, mommy. You have one mother, I love auntie more than you, mommy. Mommy, please.
At the age of 18, me can't remember no time in a few life since you're born. You ever come, mommy, me love you, no, mommy. Take your hand from you think to me, idiot. Me I go decide when figure you that. That me say. Hold that in your head and don't forget it.
Mommy, please, no, mommy. Mommy, love me one son. Mommy, love me, no, mommy.
You're deaf. You're deaf. Eh? All of a sudden you love me. And your auntie you didn't love alone. You're not even love your baby mother.
If you say that, mommy's winning money that. Mommy, you can't say that, mommy.
You don't love me.
What is it?
We birthed you for 9 months. But because you want it, the remote now, you want it.
Mommy, you
You
can't
love
say
me
that.
so much. All of a sudden, you love me out of the blues.
Mommy, you can't say that.
Right in front of me.
Where up and go on, man?
Where you say? Where you just say? Where you just say? Out of your stupid mouth. Where you say?
Is it where up and go on the
What? Which
house?
part? Me did tell you me they go nowhere? Where me fi go?
Alright,
Where? Oi, turn up your son. Two you get so taller than me. You feel say, you're man in a this. But let me tell you something. You see anything where you have in your stupid brain, you better cancel that.
Mommy, you me me.
Hurry up and go on where?
In the house, mommy.
I must in the house. I could nowhere else more than in the house. You think you're smarter than me?
I love you. I love you, mommy. More
Hurry up
going
and go on
fast.
where? Where have you in your mind? Hurry up and go where?
I love you, mommy.
Me know, because you feel say me an idiot. You love me because you want things from me. You don't love me no otherwise. Move!
Chow go on, man. Everything good here. Just watch how go on. Chow go on, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna link it up.
Watch ya. Renee wanna know. Renee. Yeah. Wait, oh your son, sir. What? What you mean by you suffer, Renee? What happened? What? When? Why? Why?
Hong Kong, how long you take for you to your phone, bad dog? Yo, Hong Kong, me come get link right now. Mother can't ask me how Hong Kong, man. I want him and me come link him say. Wait there. No problem with some Hong Kong, man. Alright, me come get a bad link.
What you said? Them put you out on mommy? Lord Jesus. Alright. Listen. Now go talk to my baby father and my mother-in-law because I can't allow you as my little sister for stay out this up on road with be a rapist and criminal and them fuck there. I don't want you to stay over in a neighbor yard. Stop not trust people. Hear they, them a mistreat. All them suck me ah. Hello. Listen to your big sister. Listen to me. Stop it crying. Me I go call you back. Me I go talk to my baby father and my mother-in-law because I don't want you to stay over there. So, hear me I say. So just keep your phone near. I soon call you back. Alright, I soon call you back. Yeah. Put them out. Jesus God. Can't allow this, you know. I have to go stand up on my foot now when I was a big sister. Jesus.
Hong Kong, man. Pray, bad dog. Yeah, deal with. What are you touching this deal with me?
So what kind of mission that, Sir Romian?
Mission are bigger than you think, bro. It's a mission are bigger than you think, bro.
Most joke ya, mate. Remember say 2 hours are going on, Romian.
Bro, you know what's my thing, you know, joking thing, you know. You see me? And bro, remember me tell you say this bigger than me. Few hours right now. Here, So bad that is when time I tell you about code, you know, say a code you work on that.
So what go on now? What go on?
Bro, when time I tell you, know, you go on now, you know, bro. And me I tell you, know, some thing me tell you, you always work with you, I will still there you live. So, you know, so I never tell you nothing wrong, bro. Remember, say, a whole heap of mission me crush for you, same way, bro, when time we in the street, that's my school days. So what you pre-Hong Kong. You have to match this crime for me, bro. Isn't it?
Alright, Romian. Let me hear what go on.
General Hong Kong. Cut long story short. Bro, more you rob my mother for me, bro. More you kill my mother for me, bro.
So, Romian, really that you want me do, brother? I lie, tell you don't want me rob your mother. You don't want me rob your mother. I must prank you or prank me. What you want me do? Rob your mother, fear do things, or you want to find out if mother really do it. Then you go damage me after.
Yo, Hong Kong. I don't know joking thing me tell you, bro. It's not no prank. You see me? But you praying about dog. You see when I do this mission for me, bro, I'm not ask you to do nothing more for me. I mean I do every mission for you after, bro. Bro, just do this one mission for me, bro.
I mean, you come like a van jugs, brother. I you pass a ketchup back for you.
We really talk.
Look how much things you do back then. You poor lady, you want me if you go do it. Why you not go do it?
Hong Kong, they want to know see me. And you want to do it thing bad, man.
Are you want everybody know? Are you want people know?
Remember? I must have really clear, bro. You have a Hong Kong style, you know, bro. I suck up to me, you know. Bro, remember good, no, man.
Yo, Romian, you come like a pan jugs, bro. You start take coke, you know.
Bro, I really want you to do things for me, bro. I tell you.
So what your mother have? Where you want me hold her up and take from her?
A remote, bro. A remote.
Then Romian, you're not idiot. Where you?
Bro, I know say that's you take me fine. That's why I never want to tell you nothing.
Romian, where you want me hold up your mother and take her remote?
So I can buy one jelly, dog.
Romian. Come on, Romian, man. You're a man, you know, you're a big man, you know, you're not a boy. There is no way a remote can buy a jelly. How a remote I gonna make you get one jelly? You know a remote cheap, all 5 bills I can get one for China right now. How?
You don't worry about that, man. The family matter. Zeke, Hong Kong, I tell you.
Boy, Romian, from a born, me never know say I say you fool. Well, yeah, no. Me not have to stick up your mother and take the remote from her. Me have a remote in my house. I can't get one and I want to see a Tony.
No, brother, no. I want none of me yard, me have more what my mother have, bro. Just do that for me, no, bro. That the remote them want, bro.
Yo, sitting there, brother. Mine I drink too much liquor one night, you know, brother. I come in drunk, you know, still drunk and overdose and everything, you know. Cause, boy.
Bro, yeah, my dad, bro. You never seen me do this yet, bro. Bro, please, Hong Kong. Listen me, just come down there, stick her up and take away remote, bro. And don't give me in a house, you know, bro. So I go down the road. Yeah, my number, bro. You just call me and come for your remote. Tell them say you want the magical remote, bro. When you stick her up here.
Alright,
bro.
Since you're my dog and a long time we are apart from school years, it seems like you're serious.
Bro, you mean, bro, it's go help me knee, bro.
I'm gonna do it for you.
I'm gonna put it in trouble, I just remote, bro.
I'm gonna do it for you, man. But yes, I know you want me to do it all later.
Bro. Alright, bro. When time reach young, I'll call you and tell you when time I right time company operation. I'll call you, I'll give you a green light. And I today do you know. But I'm gonna make you know when your time right, you see me?
Alright, Romian.
You know so that I go, bro. Yo, respect, bro.
Yeah, man.
Never beg you do nothing more for me again. Here. Anything you want for mash.
Alright, Romian.
Anything you want me mash for you, you know, me did it for you. See it?
Yeah, Romian, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, one Hong Kong. You still a go like Hong Kong?
Yeah, go on, man. You think it's easy.
Let's come on, yeah. Be short, yo. Babes.
Babes, you just sleep with the baby in your hands. Where you drop it, baby?
You ever gone and you not give me no break so you just watch a baby? Me tired, man.
When you talk to me, must me feel in the streets, you know. You feel like me a no home puppet.
In the street every day and not give me no money.
So everything to sort out, man. Don't worry yourself.
I hear that for how long?
Come see, man. I want you, man. Come in, mommy. Na 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 na. Papa, yeah. Papa, baby. Papa, that's how it, mommy.
I want to talk to you about something, you know. You know, say, them put up my mother and my little sister, though. I want her to come stay. But don't talk to your mother already, and she said, alright. Tell me where you're from.
Little sister, how much?
She has 17, you know.
17.
Mm-hmm.
I say I want belly now. Come down, man. Just remember, say I want belly and chair we can hold up.
Alright.
I'll do that.
Alright. So I'm going to call her right now and make sure know.
Alright.
Yeah.
Go inside there.
Yeah.
Be a door. Spend
So wait there. I'm not normally behave.
Yeah, boy, you look extra clean like you spend time in there. I'm gonna tell you this. So next time you have to ask your mother now. Come have everything under control. You don't know that.
Remote control.
Come see, man.
You can call my sister. Can't go on, you know. I'm here in nothing. Call her Renee, yeah. She try answer, you know. Yeah, Renee. Yes, sis. Alright, pack your bag and come. Yeah, girl. Them say yes. See, you don't know what I'm gonna bring you up here already. Alright. Just call me when I reach. Alright then. Yeah. Come the girl, you go like you're a stranger. Me a walk a come. Besides, she reach here, me a go to her. Yeah.
Mo want to pass over.
Wait now. Ready? What?
Listen, then you far girl.
Far which part? I don't find out far. Go on. Too a long time you not come. So
Come on, you get big.
yeah, you get fat. But
Come on, auntie, come.
my in-law there. But my baby father in there too. Last time I come, I never meet him, so I introduce him. I know you're full of attitude and something, you know. So please, me I beg you, be on your best behavior.
I'm going to see baby, I tell you.
Alright, come on.
Easy.
Come now, girl. So,
Good evening.
Good evening. But me know her, she did come here the last time, man.
Yeah.
alright.
Just feel at home, make yourself comfortable,
Alright,
yeah?
thanks, yeah.
Alright,
Yeah, thanks for inviting me to your house.
no problem.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Alright. Boy, oh boy. Shanice!
Yeah?
I did tell her the last time. Say she can't sleep with you and your baby father because that look real bad and things will happen. I mean, I want no confusion and no contention in my house. So guess what? Make she sleep with me.
Alright, but you don't tell me that already, cause him did that talk about oh she can't sleep with me. But remember what you don't talk.
Him say that?
Yeah. You know warm to your son.
She will sleep with me, no problem.
Alright, and thanks again, yeah?
No problem. Thank you, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Stay.
Renee, my sister, one of me I tell you about.
Yo. Me no need no introduction. See, me no need no. For your sister, she good. See me?
Yeah.
So me no need her come tell me nothing and I come ray and blah blah blah. You see, Pre? Good man.
Renee, come show you where you are stay. Look around this so. When I saw my mother in last year, she clip around there clean. Yep.
Where do?
What you mean?
Let's get around so she sleep. We carry around the demon's room in the evil room for.
That look good for me, you, my baby, and my sister sleep on one bed.
Look how my bed big. We the talk about. You and she and 3 more can come too.
Hello. Have respect. Your mother alone sleep around there, so she can't sleep with your mother, and your mother don't say alright.
Can't see mother like sleep with people. But I got disgusting to my mother.
Your mother don't talk to me out this a while ago.
Are your mother or my mother? You know my mother? You know my mother curl up and stay. We tell her yes now when he go in there and he don't say that he start skin up in face and go on somewhere and say she could run her up.
The lady downstairs, so.
Stand there. Go on, take go on like a fear mother you should go with. Watch your hand to you know.
What face?
Okay, come like you get to Kakatina too, you know. And that may make you know, you know. So know what you do. Here? Okay.
Sister, you around there? Inez, oi. Me just go home ask you. When the hug head and belly are come?
The goat. Head and the goat belly.
That's true. My head gone.
Tomorrow.
My head gone. Oi. You alright?
No.
Why you afraid pan now?
I'm not afraid of nothing. I just want to ask a few little questions.
But before you ask, who the young girl in there?
Oh. Romy and baby mother sister.
Oh, with big bag.
Yes.
Okay.
Anyway. Who tell Romy about remote?
Romy no?
You know, hear what me say? I sit there and say they think about, because I could never, when me ask you, they ask me if he know. Me say, who tell Romy about remote?
I don't know. See, finally tell him then. I don't know. Who for tell him?
They say it wasn't you.
And I tell him.
I know you.
You tell me, you give me no message for him. As a matter of fact, him not in there. He talk loud, like you want him to know. But I'll do him know already.
Listen to me. Him already know.
Mm-hmm.
But me know say it coming from the horse's mouth.
Who you call horse? Eh? Remember say me and you come from the same 2 people. So if me a horse, you a mule. About horse.
June, me can't believe say that the secret that we should have hold between me and you go put it to Romy. Like seriously?
You get no proof and you come and accuse me. That's why Remy not talk to you, you know. Him come to me and talk because you just jump down people's throats, so. And you don't know nothing about nothing. How me figure tell him?
He could have never chat to me. I do not care. But I'm going to tell you, you should never tell him this. You disown him, but me know say nobody else could never tell him. Only
The
you.
same way you load up your mouth now and the house full. Huh? The same way you load up your mouth and the house full. Eh? Me never say nothing.
Listen to me. You no matter where you want to say about load up mouth or whatever, him already here. I mean know it come out of your mouth. And nobody else tell him, nobody else don't know nothing about this more than me and you.
If me was going to tell him, we would have told him years ago. Carry on your talking, you can me I go check my pots. I know me, because me would have told him years ago. I know me. So find out who.
She say me an idiot, not true?
Me go shop and come back, yeah?
Alright, babes.
Hey, walang pamaang. Good evening.
What's the sister one bad mind girl? Sister one go corruption girl and that I'm you know that you know.
Why you say that?
I want me to have it done and mother gonna sleep. The mother like people. Mother want demons, you know. Mother want evil, you know. I try to know in a youth. Yo, I'm getting sick of people away from me.
What do you mean keep it? What happened at the same house?
Everyone say they sleep beside of me. The sisters here around here say they want to sleep. They want to keep away from me because I'm rich.
Rich?
Me if I'm rich. And I see my neck be a gold like this.
Everybody have one chain.
Blind. Yo, I'm telling you this man. Me right man, feel like me. Can take care of you.
What do you mean I lock me? You're not my sister, baby father.
A millionaire. I'm telling you this next week. And then car. GLE. Crown.
Crown, so this hour?
I'm buy key man.
Oh.
We bought that man. So we don't expect you to do this man. I do it. I'm going to upgrade. I buy a crown. A GLE.
Jelly?
So put on dashboard when they around me, isn't it? All of that I'm trying to keep away from. That's why your sister know why you sleep beside of me. Isn't it? Yeah, tell you. So I know why you steer on my sister up or on my mother up. My mother want corruption.
But you're not access, you act nice. Get it in my head for.
Sorry, I fly at this too, so I try to fix it.
Oh.
Wow.
But you're nice.
She's nice, she pretty nice. Look, after 2 days, you're sorry, so you come down here and I don't want that happen to you. So you better around here so where you're going to feel greater and don't regret so you come down here, isn't it?
You can't wait on the bed with you and my sister and the baby.
Because your sister know what I'm going to do for you. And she'll try to fight that and try to stop that. Tell her sister, so you're around here so you want to sleep if you want life better for you. Alright, there you go.
Oh, there's someone there go.
Go and get some leaves and come back. Much free.
Alright.
Hello. Come back here, so I talk to you. I want you pray. I mean, if you're like you got no boyfriend,
Lock me. Me not have key, so you want to lock me.
you don't have key, so more lock you.
When people have key, them lock it with a key.
So now me have the lock, me have the key, me have the lock, me have everything. Don't worry about that.
No about that.
Yeah.
So you go buy one jelly for you?
I mean, next week, just stick close to me and see what I want.
I never know some my sister find me, man.
Yo, if you ever hear much things your sister talk about you,
But me?
don't even
I
understand.
mean, they say my sister she love me.
Just wait till one day in the you check your sister, tell her say I go out and I go deal with the same thing. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna pick you up and me, you go have a reason.
Alright, I'll do.
You have to do the right thing in here, isn't it?
You don't take that right still, but alright, me calm this, I go sit down. Come on, little breeze.
You don't know family, man. Don't worry yourself. Be a bad things the sister talk about you. Just know so one time I tell her, you make sure you do be a good things. Isn't it? Go on out the sun, I go on all the vibes. So,
But me, she talk about things, but.
How me talk? This one sister, man. No worry.
No worry on yourself. Alright, me hold yourself.
Think them can play with me? I got sewer going in your sup. Yo, Hong Kong. Yo, mommy what I doing now? Yeah, more you come first mission right now, you see me? Yeah, bad dog, right now, she what I do. I'm telling you this. Make remember, if you go on like you rob me too, you know. Yeah, you can't go on like a she alone, you rob. You have to go on like you rob me too. Yeah, you have a tool. That's you have a hot tool, man. So you know, so if you carry, so you don't have to worry about that. Carry burner come. You see me? Shut my mother in the brother. Yeah, if you have bossy over her head. Right. Alright. Yeah, make a step, man. Make a step right now. Fully. Oh, come ready. Hold on. Hong Kong. Yeah. I mean, so me call back. Remember first time say I magical remote you want. You see me? And asking for no money and I have to worry about money. Can make you have a whole like that. You see me? Yeah, bad dog, I told jelly you buy next week. Me never bother buy one bad dog. Just get the magical remote. You see me? Yeah. Alright, do dirt. Yeah. On up. Play with the wheel life I go. Sweet. And 6 girl more one time right now. So your bed big. Big screen TV. One in and 4 corner. Fire!
Boy, the food nice still, you know. Now what you miss this? Me no want none of way you cook. Cause me no like them sick them, me no name pork. Who tell you say pork? Which pork? Insult me. Look on them, the greasy looking. My oxtail and rice some peas and lick my finger off. You stand there, you know you miss. Oh, so you have to... Jesus!
Get up for yourself. Run! Run! Yo, what magical remote?
Which magical remote?
I mean which magical remote? Yes, okay.
Nobody can ask, you know, Sonia say, you know. Ankang, your vibes can't hide. You are my son a friend. You are my son a friend.
Bro,
I'm in no say I'm my son send you. You can't check me.
my magical remote. Who are this?
Magical, if you ever touch me.
My magical remote.
Hello.
What you talking about? So my magical remote, the boy.
You nobody come out and so come farm food for get twice, you know. You think me idiot? Me no say I'm my son send you. Me nah shut up. Analyze me and done if that you come for do, cause me nah give you no magic remote. What you know about remote? Eh? Me nah give you no magic remote.
Remote, no brother, from squeeze something pound, you know. Yo, go for
Dirt me and done.
Go for you.
And that you come for do, dirt me and done. What you know about magical remote? Eh? Analyze me and, yes, do it. You can't do it. You can't do it.
Go for you.
I one place where they go and the whole of we are good there. So dirt me and done, see there. Dirt me and done, no, you go along in. Cause you want to take the feed at the two of our friend, you not go kill for your friend mother. Me a no idiot. You feel say me a idiot, I said to not set up this. I want plan. You feel say me a idiot. When me know you're from, you know your name Ankang. You're deaf. I know your name Ankang.
No, mum, na Hong Kong that. Na Hong Kong that. Bother with that.
Well, if I know Hong Kong, I can't hang. And you.
What magical remote that me come for?
You are the cars are all where they go on right here. So don't think me a idiot. Dirt me and done.
No, mum, don't.
Do it. Dirt me and done.
Yo. What you are doing now? What you are doing now?
You blow down. Me know you couldn't do it. What? And come out of me here, Jankro. All you? I should have just called police for you.
Mum, if you talk to gunman, son.
And can't do me nothing. Can't do me nothing. Put on a general plan or no plan. But me are one step ahead of you. Me is your mother. He is my son. You think you're smart. You think you're smart?
I don't even know
But
that man
you,
there.
but you want a remote. Kuyo! A remote you want? Remote you're going to get. You know what? The remote going to vanish once and for all.
What you talk about?
Alright, you soon find out.
Man, take on top one, make a gunman in there.
You soon find out. You soon find
Oh,
out.
my gunman friend for a gun for me. I'm
Look
mad.
on you too.
I'm lick down that mommy a gun.
You want to walk this dirty son? You think you can trick me? You and your gunman friend them go to hell. Cause damn boy make this idiot when car come in my yard could all shoot all my sister. Sis! John! Where she there? She must have yam too much. John!
Boy,
Your mother gone on road and me hear her mutter say she got
auntie, take them and talk to me. I'm open up your head him so. What you say?
Your mother gone on road, she gone dump the remote. You know the rubbish.
Remote.
The remote. Run quick. She gone to town.
If you mistake do not go against the rules. Rules. Ah. Ah. Something about this man. Something. Something. Go on. This one's so different today. Yo. Lift up for us here, man. Hey boy. Hey mad boy. Boy. Step in the head in the man. Yo.
Eh?
How long time there, son?
Yeah, man.
You see one woman come there show and book one remote, so. Yo!
I'm booking a remote.
Yeah.
No, sir.
That woman there play anything in the man. Yo!
Not see that.
Yo, my money can gain, man. The shorts in the seat.
You have money.
Mean. Yo, I can make your life come back, you know.
Well,
You know, see one woman come there, just one book and one remote and nothing else, you know.
no, enough people miss it come, sir.
Father, she ain't even know in a youth.
Enough people miss it come and then gone.
You see one woman. One woman. You know, one eyeglass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, what I know?
Come there, show one remote and one book, so.
No, I'm not seeing me.
Bad star, man.
Not see her.
You sure, bad man?
Yeah, enough people come and suck on that side of his man.
Which people may talk about something that can make your life better, make can change your life, Father.
Yeah. How much money so you have, like?
Unlimited, I want to you bad man, if you about unlimited cash.
Me have money now.
If you see me auntie, you could get more money, Father.
So, when I see that estimate we are talking,
Yo,
you can't get my money see how you like how much kill of it.
don't know star. Yo, mommy need, yo.
Like how we don't see it, we still can't get our money.
You forget the money. Yo, you don't even know the money. Yo, alright, just see, as long as you don't see him, Yo, then your life now go better still, me I tell you. So yo, I live fuck bad man, cause yo, you slow up me thing and me have to find that, is it? You say?
Me want plan.
See it with a joke thing in upon bad man. You tell us me can change the life, me can have much things bad man. Just to see one woman.
I don't see him, brother.
You sure?
I don't see nothing, brother.
Bad man, yo, you know that.
Be humble at all times. Time. Oh, you're humble. Oh, you're humble. Oh, this is a very powerful instrument. Oh, I want some money now. Why am I running down, sir? I want it. You know I get this. You know I get this, sir. You know I get this. How in there? Ah. Ah. I love you. Look, reality, reality. I'll leave. Oh, leave to money, man. Turn, leave in money. Yeah. 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 All right. Some more liquor, please. Pretty little tree. Drop 1,000 US. Ah, 1,000 US. Ah, I love you. Ah. 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 No more. Ah. 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 Ah.
Yeah, no, star, man, sorry, pre, Jenna. Man get so about there.
Oh, yeah,
Glad to see man.
Where some of them? get sober up, you know, man. Me say I help people, but you know, my friend, bag of things you are going with. I'm glad to see man come back, man. So you can do for you, man.
name mad though.
Mm.
Man, just homeless.
One at a time.
Yeah.
So where the me? So what you can do for what you can do for me now, dear? You can do a thing for me there. That's right now, you.
What you do with the money though?
I don't know anything if I say right now, I'm going to do a little thing now. God know anything.
I don't know weed you buy with it.
No, brother, you man, I cannot do it. No,
What you
brother.
gonna do? Start business.
Yeah, man, any little thing my father, man.
Alright, hold on.
Anything I find my father. Oh, the see man get back on top, you know, my father, man. Man come back on foot, brother. January start. This.
So 50,000. Start on business, man.
Oh, I mean, the general, man. I mean,
Start
man.
on business, man.
Respect, man.
Yeah, man, I know.
Bless up yourself, man. Now yourself, man. So link my father, man. I mean, good start this, man. No, my father, man. Good start this, my father, man.
General, that's it.
Big up yourself, my father, man. I mean, man.
Let's start business.
Business, my son, my father. Not joke thing, my father, man. Right way.
How old is a famous? Yeah, deal it, man.
You say change up your life, man. I go on.
Yeah, man.
Can't get something, man.
How you gonna buy with it?
They are broke. I'm
go open none of them things that
I want a shoes, daddy.
Hope some of them things that we used to burn you gonna buy, no, brother.
No, man. We don't give me the rest of me.
Yo, listen me, I say, man.
I live up on case. I want a shoes. I want some clothes, brother. So, you know.
What you say? You hungry?
I'm hungry, same as daddy. Trust me.
Hold on. Yeah, what go on? I be a food and clothes man you buy in a youth. Yo, get some better clothes and put for yourself, youth. And buy some food, my youth.
Right, when I go back home,
Yo, look come on, man.
Thank you, daddy.
Yo. You know, say you're welcome all the while, brother. I want you, man.
Thanks.
Yo, nobody tell nobody say me give you no money, doing.
Man, you can't do that. Nobody come look here, daddy.
I told you, man. Come on, go on, man. Wait, where you go, Miss Blackie?
There.
Where you go, man?
There.
You have drinks in there?
Yeah, man, in the igloo there, so.
Hold on. Take that big water, you know? Hold it for me there now. Take you out of this, sir.
Yeah.
A matter of fact, take the change.
Alright.
Say alright, though.
Yeah, man. Some more dance. Oh, you remember again? Me see how it was a garbage bin, I know you are.
My name is me homeless. I told me the kind of take the crisis. I don't lie to you, but I work one like magic man and top take it, man.
Why?
Instantly, man, that magic that work, man, and I stop take it. Yeah.
Why don't you go on to me and me see I work magic, you know, and want some help, you know?
Magic? How tell them I
I saw me hear people who say, the madman I work magic.
No, sir, no go, sir.
Want some help for you, man?
You want some help from me?
You know, so no nice shop, man, I want open the shop bigger, man. So I space around this one, sitting.
Size shop you want to deal with?
Yes.
You sure size shop you want to deal with?
Yes.
Because I don't really help people we just want to waste money, you know.
No, man, I don't waste money, man.
Alright, hold on. Alright, this is 80,000 in Jamaican. Don't tell nobody say me give you.
No, man.
Because I don't like how now spread this magic and will be honest.
I saw me here, I want each shop to finish.
Finish the shop, man. Because that side look like it mash up.
Yeah.
So look, come on, not tell nobody, you know.
No, man, me not do that. Alright, madam, take care, yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah.
After this a dirty bicycle, man. One can't bother in a youth. Yo, madam.
Eh?
You say you can't fix bicycle, you know. I walk over here, so. They are try. And the bicycle, no, work me dog. So I don't want to keep, brother.
What you say? Me a what?
You say I walk over here, my dog. So I don't know what you can do for me.
No, brother. Who tell us I work over?
So me are here in the street, you know, bro.
No, man.
So I over here walk, man.
What the bicycle? What the bicycle?
You see, say, we lock up and now move, man. See that? You now move again, brother. So what you can do for me?
Alright. Just off fight. Turn up there, sir. Here. No, look come here, do you? Here.
Ah. Dear, this a bicycle argument be a problem, youth.
Bicycle, fix. Go spin it up. Go try spin it up. Let's see now.
Bomba, man, and it's a work again, man. I wear the tweet, my boss. I wear the tweet.
Want me to tweet?
Yeah, man.
That's cool, man. You know what me nothing, man. Is it?
Yeah, yo. Respecting the man. Yeah, man.
Let me see you, man.
Yeah, man.
Let me see you.
Yeah, man. It's a work, man. It's a work, man.
And
Pick up and shot. And he never did move, man. I wear the tweet, man.
You know what me look, come on. Go on the road, man. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, me tell you.
Respecting the man.
Hello.
No, we are dealing bad dog.
I go on Walkless Hong Kong. But man, are you shaky, yo? I can't believe when you get that doubt with bad dog. One little soft move I'm sitting upon you, do you feel me, bro? Bad man, for you licking her face, bad man, let's me show you a signal, say yo, jerk hard. You turn up the bad man, you didn't even set him as good, bro. I see you hold your forehead, bad man, and some moment just say, Hong Kong, I'm my friend. Kind of style that, bro, you don't even know if it dress you, but my teacher from day one, bro.
Bad man, I hear that move, that bad man. I mean, I talk back, I hear that move, that.
Dog, and you really know say I say I gonna move, bro. Yo, mother just get somebody's change to do that, bro. I'm just saying, bro. Bad man, you even ready yourself good. Bad man, you remember they moved where we used to go on the first time, you see how I deal with people, bad dog. As they look up in their eye, they can't see my face, bad dog. Or if you make me see your face.
Yo, you're not using a bad bro, but we have a good story, you know.
Where you say I go on? Madans?
Nah.
Yeah, man, I mean, if you remember Madans, we can't forget Madans. How much jelly coconut Madans teeth up, so?
Mother give me dog a walk around and I help people, bro. And you don't have a man to call him work and to be a man to...
What? What you say?
I'm being a thin face, dog, rich out. You don't have no man, don't charge.
Madans?
Yeah, Madans.
Yo, let's go give him a page right now. Why there?
You have to find him because he may have a remote.
Madans? When I ask what if he have it and he tell me say he don't have it.
Yeah, bro, I him have it, bro. I saw me here and one bird here tell me, dog, you know?
It's a joke thing, Madans, tell me thing for. Yo, me have to find him. Me have to find him.
Alright, bro. Do that and see if I find him.
Alright, bad dog. I say 40.
Make sure you mash him up.
No, that don't sound good, bad dog. I got to discipline him.
Alright.
Real way.
Excellent.
Fully. That's really cool on me thing, dog. Alright, watch her go boy.
Boy, them people are poor, brother. Watch out, she not even arrive to me to you. Auntie, you know, a ripe tomato.
You know, it's a ripe tomato, didn't
No, no, did it. But me will help out you, here. Don't look at me, though. I'll make you get some ripe tomato, auntie. Oh, God. Actually, get some ripe tomato, please, and thanks. Auntie, see you get ripe tomato then now, here. Take care of yourself, all the best, here. Yeah. All right.
You see, I help be people, you know.
What do you mean I help the people?
No, a remote you find, you know.
What kind of remote you talk about?
A mad boy, a ramp.
I'm not mad, brother. What you talk?
No money there, boy.
No money, brother.
Boy, money there.
No money.
Remote. What? No remote there, boy.
No, yeah.
I play, me just say everything, you know.
No, brother.
How many things there, boy?
Yeah, the boy. Aye.
Your people, you know.
All right.
See it.
You know, deal, Mr. Brother.
Boy, no remote this.
Where there? No.
So much of my money out.
Sorry, man.
Ramp with me.
Sorry, no.
No money, no remote this.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Mad boy. Around for the thing. Here.
Ah, boy, yo, give me back here, man.
I'm telling you, I want to grab the ramp.
Yo, give back here. Wow, my remote. Wow, my remote. Okay. You have a remote, but I don't know if you use it. And I'm not going to know if you use it.
Down a country where the river runs slow, live a man named Ants, where everybody know him walk barefoot. Inna the dust, him talk to the breeze, and all a cuss. Them laugh when him pass, same fear take mad pill, but in me eyes he far past. Jokes and the fun, like him reading every sign from the moon and the sun. Them call him mad, say he made no right, but him words start shining at the darkest night. Yeah. Just a easy and go through. My dance. Them say you're mad, but you no fool. Them say you're mad, but you no fool. When the rain fall hard and the river rise high, I him did a warn them weeks gone by. Say build on the hill, not just low ground. Now the whole of the village start gather round. Picnic them listen when him start to speak. Even elders nod when him drop wisdom deep. From planting time to when storm a roll, my dance vice turn guide for the community. Cause truth have a way to reveal itself. What seem like madness turn divine. Hey! My dance. Just a easy and go through. My dance. Them say you mad, but you no fool. Them say you mad, but you no fool.
Hold on, I'm going like something now. Subscribe up. No, for when me telling you say subscribe, it's a joking thing with that pan. My son. I train a year, but me not run down, you know.
Okay, boy.
Now worry yourself, man. So, now, yo, you. What's on you subscribe to Maggie Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
And oh, you say what? No, you say boy.
Maggie Films.
Maggie.